How's it going, everyone? It's Rob from Paragon, and we missed you in April, but those April showers did bring some May flowers, which brought us plenty of new products for your C8 Corvette. So let's get into it. Like usual, starting off with the products from us here at Paragon Performance. We've got an exciting one a lot of you guys have been waiting for. It is the Z06 and E-Ray extended splash guards. So for those of you that might have got that set for the front that we released a while back, now you can get a set that will match in carbon flash for the rear of the car. They extend out 3 inches, help protect that rear area of your Z06 or E-Ray. So we just started pre-orders on them, and if you want a set, I would hop over to the website and go get them right now before those pre-orders are filled, and it takes a lot longer to get you a set. So pause the video right now, head over to the website and go secure yourself a set of Z06 or E-Ray extended splash guards. What are you still doing here watching? Go to the website right now and go get yours today. All right, now that you're back from pre-ordering those extended splash guards for the rear, let's move on to the next Paragon product, which is a set of front strut tower covers. So like the name suggests, these are simply covers that are going to go over your front strut towers. Now, when you wash your car or it rains on it somehow and water gets down into there, you can have some trouble later on down the road when you're servicing the suspension with rust and corrosion on some of those bolts. But when you install these covers on there, you don't have to worry about that. So these are pretty cool. Just give you a little peace of mind that the car can get wet and you're not going to have some issues with rust or corrosion down the road. And they work on both mag ride and non-mag ride C8s. And next up, for you Z06 and E-Ray folks, we've got 2 ground effects items for you. Starting off with the first one in the front of the car, it is a front lip. This is a 3-piece front lip. It is a Z07 style, so that nice aggressive kind of flared out look on the front of the car. So if maybe you ordered your car and that wasn't available and you ended up with that color matched low profile one, well, now you can upgrade to this Z07 style in your choice of carbon fiber and carbon flash. Moving wide to the side of the car now, if maybe you ordered your C8 E-Ray or Z06, and of course, surprise, surprise, GM carbon fiber is on constraint, so you couldn't get any carbon fiber ground effects, well, we've got you covered with these carbon fiber side skirts. These will work on both the Z06 and E-Ray, and they'll bring a little bit of carbon fiber to the side of your car. So if you want those, head on over to the website. We get a couple in stock and get your side profile of the car looking proper. And next up, from our friends over at Auto Addicts, we've got one we've been waiting to share with you guys, and it is the European style smoked taillights. These are pretty cool if maybe you don't have a whole lot of red on your car, or you're going for that stealth kind of blackout look, or you just want to give those Mustang guys something good to look at when they're looking at the back of your C8 Corvette. Well, now you can with these taillights. So instead of that red, like the name suggests, you get this smoked gray boomerang back there, and the top 2 lenses are clear and the bottom are black. So kind of a cool contrasty piece on the back of your car, something you don't see every day. So if you're wanting to stand out at your next car show, well, these are the items to do that. So head on over to the website and check out these taillights. And next up, from our friends over at FABSPEED, we have their Z06 exhaust. This thing is super high quality. It sounds better than a Ferrari. It retains your valve so you can switch it into track mode going through a tunnel, and then switch it to quiet mode coming into your neighborhood, keep those neighbors nice and happy. And it is made right here in the US of A. And with this exhaust system, you can either decide to keep your OEM tips on your car, or you can switch and upgrade to their new carbon fiber tips that look pretty cool. So if you're looking for a rowdy Z06 exhaust, this is the one for you. We've got a couple in stock. Head over to the website and get an exhaust for your Z06. And next up, from GM, we've got 2 products from them to share with you guys. First one being the Corvette script. Now, on the back of your car where it literally says the word Corvette, if you're wanting to change that color, maybe you want it in a black, a red, a blue, a white, a chrome, we've got you covered, because those are all the colors that we have in stock now. So if you've been wanting to change that out, try something different on the back of your car, now you can. Head over to the website, check them out. And the 2 different styles are available for both the Z06 and E-Ray as well as the STINGRAY. So get yourself a set today. And next up from GM is their hardtop convertible clear cover. Now, they released this about a year ago, and now we've finally got some in stock, 2 to be exact. So if you are looking to upgrade your hardtop convertible engine bay with that OEM GM cover, well, now you can. If you want more information on it and a cool comparison between all the other hardtop convertible clear cover windows we currently offer, we did just make a video about that, so go check that out. And if the GM one does catch your eye, well, head on over to the website and give it a check. And the last 2 items are for the C8 Stingray folks, and they are performance items. So first is a valve spring and push rod kit, and the second is a Lingenfelter piston kit. So if you're looking to upgrade your C8 motor components for some performance and reliability, now you can with both of these kits. We've got them on the shelf in stock, so if you need them, we got them. And that is new products May for you guys. Hopefully some of these awesome new products caught your eye. If not, well, we've always got next month. We've got some pretty cool stuff coming out in June, so watch out for that. And watch out this weekend for our Memorial Day sale. Fortunately, none of the products in this video are gonna be on there, but if you're looking for some savings on C8 Corvette parts, keep your eyes peeled on the website for that. Have a safe holiday, guys. As always, I'm Rob from Paragon. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Unbelievable. Run it back. From the top, there it is. Yeah, can we just bundle these 2 then maybe? Yeah. Ooh, carbon flash. Quieter down, coming through your neighborhood. I get so excited, I start mashing words together. Coming through the neighborhood, and then you quiet it down. Remember the time when Bobby Boucher We've got their Z06 exhaust. It's just like, we've got their Z06 exhaust for the Z06. It's for the Z06, of course. We've got their Z06 exhaust. Oh my God. What are like the bones?